Java doc exe is for nothing but you are going to be create API. Let's take any of the software you are going to be release. So you will create a API related. So what is that API? What is Java is having the API information? To get those details, just open it, JDK 1.8 API. So if you click on that API document. So here you can see the API specific. This is the one is API related. API is nothing but whatever the software is going to be released, they will be documented. So the document will help us to easily understand and using in your real-time scenario, like day-to-day work, what you are going to do with this software. So far, if you see, whatever the software we used, JDK related, we wrote some program. There's a system out.println and a string is there. So these all are internally given by the Java. So whatever string and system, if you get into this one, I just open the system. So internally system.java is having this class related information. So whatever the class it has defined, it has given by the Sun Microsystems. Okay. Similarly, it's a string. String is one of the class. So this class is having this much information. So what I'm going to say now, it's a doc type. Doc type is nothing but see here, there is some code is indicating and it is in different color. And everywhere it has written some line of statements. So that means whatever the software you are going to write, let's take this is the method. So this method has some description. So what is the purpose of this method? Okay, so you have to write some description about that particular method. So how you can write it? So this information we call it as a document type, like document description. So this description is related to method. Similarly, this description is related to class. So let's take it, this is the string. String is the class. How would you know that this is class or not? String, class, whatever the information you want to understand. So this is the description about that particular class. Similarly, for our class, whatever we wrote, it don't have any description. So this description, if you give it this particular class to anyone, they might not be understand what is the purpose of this class and what is the purpose of this method. You should give some description about that particular class and method statement wherever you feel it requires some information to the next during the enhancement whoever is working on this particular class. Okay, so you are going to give the knowledge to the next level. So that information is nothing but a document description. Similarly, whatever Java has given, these are the set of classes we have, right? So internally whatever you are using in your sample program, so it's getting documented. So whatever we use as a sample program, we are using system, right? System and string. See this one, if you go to the system class, this is the description of that system class. When this class get introduced, it's a JDK 1.0, and followed by when this means what are the methods it has. These are the methods. Okay, we are using out. Okay, so out where it is using and who has means what kind of information it has. Okay, so all of these you can see it here. We are using out, right? System dot out. See here that out related information. Okay, so this is nothing but a document about that particular class or method whatever you are going to be writing. Similarly, you can implement for your program also. So this is required to you when you are going to write any class or method which is inbuilt, is given by the Java. So you can go through that. You can go through that particular API. Okay, so this API information will help you to understand easily what the class is and what the method, how it get used, what are existing functionality it has. Okay, that easily you can understand. Similarly, we use a string in our sample program. So this string class again, who is the parent and all of them will be coming here. Okay, this is about a document type. Let's see that program what we have written. Okay, we will make it a little understandable way. You have to write it slash, it's double star, hit enter. Its id is helping us to close automatically. So here I'm giving some information. This is sample hello world class, and you can give it anywhere. It's a method level. This is main method. Okay, so these all are the document type.